Hey, what's up guys? Before we get started with this video, I want to announce the winner of the $300 Amazon gift card giveaway, and it's going to be Noel Sanchez. Thank you so much for entering. Thank you so much for commenting and being a part of the channel. I appreciate you, and I appreciate all the other people that entered. Don't worry, there will be more giveaways in the future. Stay tuned for that, but that is our winner. And now let's get on with the video. How much did YouTube pay me for a video that did over 100,000 views? Let's find out. Yo, what's going on guys? It's Kevin Pack here. Welcome to my channel. And in today's video, we're gonna be finding out if YouTube pays your boy enough money for the work he puts in. Because I do put a lot of work into these videos. I used to do all my editing myself. And for the time of this video that got 100,000 views, I did do the editing myself. Now I have a team. Shout out to Editing Machine for being a great support team for my videos. But now I have them editing my videos. Before I did my own editing. And this video that got over 100,000 views probably took me about, let's see, 2 hours of editing and maybe 30 minutes of recording, something like that. So let's dive in and let's go into my computer and see how much this video made. We're gonna be going through the CPM, how much I made per 1,000 views. Also gonna be seeing the daily, I guess, revenue of how much it's grown throughout its time. So you'll see day by day how much money I made off this video. And yeah, let's get into it. All right, so here we are in front of my computer right now, and I've always been interested in knowing how much YouTubers make, how much money they make, and how it all works and everything like that. And so I'm gonna be showing you guys how much I've made. I wanna be transparent because I want to be able to fulfill those curious minds out there. And maybe if you wanna start a YouTube channel in the future, you can, and get idea of, how much you can make off of YouTube. And even if you don't care about making YouTube videos, it's still cool to know how much YouTubers make. So here is my video that I got over 100,000 views. It got about 104,000 views, and it is my Amazon FBA step-by-step video. I published it in September 8th, 2020. Right now it's April 21st, 2021. So it's been some time, maybe about 6-7 months since that time I posted it, maybe a little bit over that. And this is basically the graph of how much I've made. And clearly we can see in total, I made over $6,000 in revenue. And this is actually what I take home. Okay, this is what they show after my cut from Google. So Google takes 45% and then I keep 55%. And this is my actual take home keep. So it's $6,000, right? So yeah, so it's been around for a little bit of time. I gained almost 3,000 subscribers off of this, which was pretty amazing. I was really, really happy about that as well. So a lot of value out of this video, right? And the cool thing is YouTube is a pretty passive way of making income, because the thing is, you got to think about, I spent maybe 3 total work hours on this video and posted it. And after that, it's made me money every single day afterward. I didn't have to edit it. I didn't have to do any more work. I did it one time and then it continues to make money afterwards. So that's how YouTube becomes passive, but it's also still a full-time thing because you have to continue to make more videos to, basically compile all the views and that counting for every 1,000 views that you get to be able to accumulate that and make, a decent amount of money. So this is how much I made in the total lifespan of 100,000 views. I made over $6,000. Pretty cool. And then here is kind of the breakdown of the day by day of this. And you'll see that when I first posted it, I was making maybe like $3, $1, like 20 cents some days and everything like that in the early stages. But then it started to pick up later in the year. And then I started doing about like $6 to $10 a day. And it was starting to pick up really, really fast. And that was really, really cool. And then we start to break into the new year. And I think in the new year, people are really interested in finding new ways to make money. Obviously, my channel is all about Amazon FBA, business, finance, all that good stuff. So it's definitely related to helping people make money. And in the beginning of the year, people are looking for that, They were looking for new ways to make income, new ways to make like a side hustle or something like that, maybe leave their 9-to-5 job, whatever. But my content provided that. So I could see why it started to blow up in the beginning of the year. And so you can see as time goes on, I started making $20 a day, $30 a day. And then we started to spike up and we started doing $50, $60, and then $100 a day just from this video that I posted that I literally did only like 3 hours on of total work on it, and then posted it one time, and now it's making like $100 a day, which is pretty damn awesome. So that's the lifetime of this video and how much I've made out of it. And now I'm gonna go and show you guys basically how much I make per 1,000 views. Okay, so here you can see the CPM right here, cost per milli, which basically means how much I get paid for every 1,000 views. So this video makes $87 every 1,000 views, but YouTube takes a pay cut out of that, again 45% and the 55% for me. So the RPM is the accurate number of how much I actually get paid. So I got paid $64 per 1,000 views, which is fantastic. I'm super blessed and happy to be in a category that pays very, very well, because I know that most YouTube categories only make maybe like $2 every 1,000 views, and I'm clearly making a lot more of that, right? So it's pretty awesome. So now I don't have to have as many views to be able to make as much money, you know, to make a good amount of money right here. So it's pretty damn awesome. I personally think YouTube is an underrated source of income or a source of passive income, but again, it's not really for everybody, right? I got into it just because I really like to spread my knowledge and help people, and I wanted to reach out to people and, you know, talk to more people around the world and really spread my influence a lot more. So that's why I did YouTube, but that's not for everybody, right? So, but if you are interested in it, there are ways you can make money. And if you are in the business finance category, you can make some serious money doing YouTube, right? Yeah, this is how much I made with 100,000 views. I hope this is very, very informative and helpful, and just kind of entertaining for you guys, just to see how much a small YouTube channel like myself with only 10,000 subs and my first video, this is my only video with over 100,000 views, that, you know, how much it paid me for. So thank you guys so much for watching. As always, go make that money, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.